wait a minute, what if we can actually turn this around and reverse your diabetes, maybe reduce your medication doses, maybe get off them altogether?
And in fact, I would even consider you the Michael Jordan of veganism.
Fruits and vegetables did not cause your diabetes.
How do we take a person who is often meat-loving and try to transition them towards a healthier, whole food, plant-based diet? You have called meat the next tobacco. What do you mean by this?
But your average American last year consumed 37 pounds of cheese.
You know, in cardiology, we have a lot of studies that looks at the brachial artery after a famous study is eating, I think it was a McDonald's Big Mac or a hamburger, or maybe it was something from McDonald's, which was definitely not good. And they actually saw that the brachial artery had less vasodilation capacity shortly after a high-fat fast food meal. Does this happen also in terms of muscle fat storage, or does it take a lot longer?
Several things happen. What you're saying is so important and exactly right, because there are a number of changes that occur, some minute by minute, others day by day, some take a bit longer. But what you're describing is exactly right, that in the postprandial period, the time after your meal, your arteries do become stiffer, your blood becomes more viscous, more thick, so your blood pressure will go up. The arteries are not so elastic and compliant. They really are stiffer, and all kinds of problems occur. The fat packing into the cells does occur rapidly. When I say it takes weeks, it takes weeks for me to scan them again because it's such a big deal.